Back like we never left. SVO with the live reaction to Nano Machine. This week, reading chapters 235 and 236. So, Nano Machine, chapter 235. Alright, man, let's go. Right where we left off, that boy Lord Yo going crazy in the air. We seen the Supreme Saber try to jump him. It ain't work. We get the flaming ice swords in his hand. Impossible! How could he still have such power? Could it be? And we see Lord Yo just smirks at him with the black flame and the black ice in the hand. Did this bastard lure us in? I can't back out now. I'll use this to finish him off. And we see the old man goes at him. Supreme Saber, Divine Martial Arts, First Technique. Ultimate Sword Mastery, 6th Technique. Dragon's Ascension. And they both of them go to attack Lord Yo. Lord Yo puts the sword out. Bing, blocking it. No problem. Heavenly Demon Sword out. You see, as they go to do their named attacks against Lord Yo retaliates with his own. Heavenly Demon Sword Art. This is revenge for Bakey. And we see, oh shit. So we see the guy who's not blind pulls the thing off of his eyes. Goes for revenge. They all three just go to attack Lord Yo. 2 from the front, and we see 1 from the blind spot, low key. Die! Cheon Ya Un! And we see this man's name, his name attack. Supreme Saber, Divine Martial Arts, 7th Technique, Ultimate Delightful Murder Blade. And then we see Lord Yo unfazed, not even looking at the guy with the blindfold, bro. Puts the ice sword out, 2nd Technique, Supreme Saber, Divine Martial Arts, Ultimate Sword Form. Bing, just blocks it, bro. Lord Yo ain't playing, bro. Just blocks it, no problem. What? Impossible! How could he know Supreme Saber, Divine Martial Arts? And we see, they don't know, bro. Lord Yo, again, in the 3v1, unfazed, bro. Unfazed in the 3v1. We see everyone down on the ground. We see Moon Gyu. We see that boy Hyo Bong looking up in the sky as they see just lights and fire and things just exploding from where they're fighting, bro. Crazy, bro. Wow, that's a really strong shockwave. And everyone gets knocked back. Demon Lord! He's dealing with all those techniques at once. It's hard to even block just one of them. And you see this man's arm is fucking gone. He in the trenches. Bro. And then all we see is, damn, all you see is just like a ball of energy from where they're fighting, and it just spurts of like purple energy and like black and red energy just flying off of this giant like orb of them fighting, bro. Where are these black flames? They're overpowering my 3 divine Samadhi flames? You bastard! His technique is much more detailed than mine. Those who have learned the techniques of the Supreme Saber Divine Martial Arts are higher ups. So how is this possible? And that black ice blade, it's freezing the space through which he swings his blade. The cold is choking my heart. And when we see, as he blocks the black ice blade, we see his blade is just freezing on contact, bro. As soon as it comes into contact with the black ice, it starts freezing the sword, bro. Insane. Insane, bro. I can't guarantee that I'll be able to withstand the next turn of attacks at this rate. However, if I am to give it this power, if I'm to give into this attack, the balance of power will be destroyed in a moment. Damn it. I thought we'd be able to defeat him if we worked together. And then we just see a cold panel of just Lord Yo just holding them off with the black flames and the black ice swords, bro. Holding them off, bro. Crazy. I never expected a person at the life and death realm to be this much stronger than us. Yes, that would work better on you. What? Oh shit, so what the fuck does Lord Yo do? So Lord Yo says, yes, this'll work better on you. And he goes, what? And he knocks the guy with the black ice off. Huh? Oh shit, that's crazy, bro. So as he does this, he knocks the guy with the blindfold off and then uses the black ice sword to attack the guy with the red hair. I can't dodge this one. And then boom. As if. What? And we see, as he hits the shoulder, we see the ice just start beginning to spread all over his body, bro. The cold is spreading? God damn. And bro, as the sword touches the side of his body and the cold begins to spread, Lord Yo follows through and cuts them clean in half, bro. We see the man's upper body just in the wind. Golly. You know, we just see the man just falling. Just falling. Boom. Hits the deck. This monstrous bastard. He froze a part of the Berserker Blade sect leader's body and got through the tough interior of his. Do you have time to be distracted right now? Oh shit. So as the old man is thinking, Lord Yo says, hey bro, can you even afford to be distracted when I'm here going crazy? Come on, bro. I mean, he swings the flame blade at the guy and he just ping ping, able to block it. Oh shit. Lord Yo then goes for a stab on the old man with the flame blade. Oh shit, did it hit him though? I can't fend off this flame energy. He knocks him down. This isn't gonna work. We can't defeat him. Only the Blade Master can kill this monster. We must fall back. Now that we've tasted failure, I'm sure we won't repeat this mistake. Y'all ain't gonna live, bro. Y'all are not living. There is no way. Wow. Wow, hold on. So they got something up their sleeve, though. Because as the old man's falling, he looks to the blindfolded guy and goes, do it! Flame Blade Sect Leader, what are you? Oh shit, so the Flame Blade lands, boom. And Lord Yo lands too. Wait! Flame Blade Sect Leader! And you see it. So the Flame Blade old geezer puts his sword up to do some kind of end-all attack. Yep. You see, Supreme Saber, Divine Martial Arts 7th Technique. The fight of 8 immortal swords. And let me see. The sword leader oars up his sword in some kind of golden energy and just heads right toward Lord Yo. Lord Yo, unfazed, he uses the black flame sword to bing, not even block it, bro. He literally just stabs straight through the guy's chest. Bang! One clean thrust. Boom! Right through the Jew's chest. So, he did know the Supreme Saber Divine Martial Arts. He dug right into the only weakness of this technique. And Lord Yo, with blood all over his face, just looks up to the old geezer and says nothing. But no matter. Oh shit. That's crazy. So when he goes into the hit, the flame blade guy grabs Lord Yo, bear hugs him. Some kind of explosion type shit. We see the blood reversal pops out. You did as I expected, demonic cult leader. I'm taking you down with me. Listen, Supreme Saber of the 6th Martial Arts Sect. The fight is over. Disperse. Flameblade Sect Leader, why are you? We've done everything we could here. Go tell the Blade Master. Hurry. Keyblade Sect Leader. I would say, so they're trying to dip off now. He's gonna supposedly try to take out Lord Yo so they can escape to tell the Blade Master. That ain't gonna happen. This isn't the end. We will plan better and make sure that we succeed. Run! And then we see, save yourselves! These niggas is cowards, bro. So we see the Keyblade guy just dips off into the air to run away. We can't let him get away. How pathetic. So we see Guardians is like, hey, bro, these niggas is pathetic, boy. Running away? Run! Disperse! Don't even let one escape. Oh shit. These guys won't stop no matter what. Slit their throats. So we see, because they have the blood vessel on, even though their arms getting cut off, they just running through it, bro. They don't care. Where do you think you're going? So we see the Keyblade guy gonna leave. As if I'd let you. You have to go through us first. Oh my gosh. So the Keyblade guy just hoop, jumps off the wall, and he seemingly just escapes, bro. I'm weak. But as the Flame Blade guy has Lord Yo, he goes, what the hell? It feels like the muscles in my body, it feels like the muscles in both my arms are going to be shredded. I should be much stronger than an ordinary martial artist right now. And we see Lord Yo just twisting his arm, bro. Just grabbing his arm. I don't think he's twisting it, bro. We see Lord Yo just grab his arm and he can't move. And he has a fist right to the Flame Blade's chin, bro. We see big biceps on that boy Lord Yo, bro. He been working out. How can a human have such intense grip strength? And Lord Yo just lets out a mean smirk, bro. A demonic smirk, bro. Oh my god. He about to punch a hole into this guy, bro. He about to make him a donut, bro. Alright, let's keep going here, bro. He finna make him a donut. We see Lord Yo. Intense grip strength. My bones are being crushed under his grip. It seems like this is the longest I can keep him here. It's fine. I've stalled as long as I could. Yo, Nano going crazy, boy. What up, Akiji? Nano going crazy, bruh. It's fine. I've stalled as long as I could. Even if the Keyblade Sect Leader makes it out of here, that's enough. What's left is... So we see the man's whole body starts bubbling up with some kind of like explosion situation. Demonic cult leader! Let's go to hell together. Even you wouldn't be able to withstand this. That line again? Don't you even get tired of it? What? Let me see. Lord Yo just shocks his ass, bro. Because obviously, Lord Yo has him. He has him in the grip, bro. He's holding him down. He just shocks him, bro. Puts 10,000 volts into this flame key guy, bro. 10,000 volts. Just literally fries him. His hair is gone. The man's whole skin burnt to a crisp. Golly. Oh my god. And after Lord Yo different, bro. After Lord Yo burns the man to a crisp, he just pulls his arms off of his body, bro. Blood splurting everywhere, bro. Ah! The Flame Blade guy yells. The key guy is still running. I had to sacrifice my comrades and subordinates to get out of there. It's shameful, but I need to escape no matter what. I need to report what happened to the Blade Master and come up with a new plan. Enjoy your victory while it lasts, demonic cult leader. A man who possesses a lot has a lot to lose. Let's see if you can maintain your composure even after losing what is precious to you. Next time, I'll make sure to. And as he's running and thinking this, something pops in front of me. He stops. What? That's fucking crazy. That's crazy, bro. So we see a fucking formless sword, bro, covered in black flames, gets sent after him and just pieces him right through the back, through the chest. Boom! Crazy, bro. It's impossible. I'm more than a kilometer away by now. Cheon Yo-un, you're not human. Boom. And the man just dies. What the fuck, bro? That is crazy, bro. Lord Yo, the guy was mad far away, bro. Over a kilometer away from where Lord Yo was, bro. As he's fighting the other guy, he had the power to send the formless sword after him to get him gone, bro. Like, bro, that is crazy. That's crazy, bro. About 2 kilometers away from the palace, Young Mountain, top of the Purity Peak. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. So is this the Blade Master? So we see somebody in this like black cloak waiting on top of this thing with a sword. Huh? He shouldn't be able to see. He shouldn't be able to see because it's too far. Can he really see from here? He has not looked elsewhere for a while. I can't see what's going on even if I focus. So we see him now. Oh shit. Supreme Saber of the 6th martial arts sect head. Blade Master. Huh? Blade Master! Can you see something? He's enraged. Oh, so he's seen everybody get got right now, bruh. Has the Keyblade sect leader's plan gone wrong? Is there an issue with the plan? How could this be? We put so much effort into this great plan, and even planted spies like the prince. Has all that been for nothing? Oh shit. Oh shit. So the man grabs a sword, bro. Golly. So the man he's in anger. He unsheaths his sword and just cuts down a bunch of the mountains, bruh. Wah! This is some immense force. Has the Blade Master reached divine territory? We're leaving. Sheaths the sword and dips off. Blade Master, if the plan has problems, shouldn't we consider the Blade Massacre Squad or perhaps a Blade Purity Squad? The battle's already over. Nothing will revert the results. No matter. We have earned something good enough in return. What? I finally found the Demon God. Oh, shit. And this motherfucker look kind of cold, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Blade Master look kind of sick. Within the palace afternoon, we see all the bodies getting rounded up, bro. How horrible. Well, it makes sense given that this was the biggest war to happen in the Jianghu. About 600 martial artists have died, 1,000 injured. We'll report in more detail after everything is taken care of. All right. They were really thorough with it. Every single one of them was under the use of inner energy. Crazy, bro. All the people we had captured from the Supreme Saber had died by their head exploding. That's insane. That's insane, bro. So anybody they captured had their heads exploded, so they couldn't give anything up, bro. Looks like a parasite in their heads activated, like the Demon Lord said. Yep. They were prepared. Why are they this afraid of information leaking out, though? But I'm not sure they wouldn't have expected this much. God damn. And we see the flame guy, the flame blade guy is now being held hostage. He's got electroshocks all over him. He's still burnt to a crisp. And then he says, you monster, How did you remove the parasite in my head? So he's saying it's alive still. Just what more is a demon lord capable of doing? He's definitely different from all the supreme heaven demons I've served. He keeps raising my expectations. Let me see, Lord Yo just hand out. My hopes that all the goals of the great heavenly demon divine cult might come true under him. No. No? No. We stopped them ourselves. What the heck? Merlion's 7th Master, Mo Young Clan Patriarch, Mo Young Kang. There are rules to adhere by as allies. Let me see, 11th Master, Beggar Sect. Hong Pao Wu. Prince Yo has reached the life and death realm, and from the novel, the last stage is the last stage you can go. So if you're gonna have a challenge, they all have to be. Yeah, well, I low-key assume that this blade master would be on a similar level to Lord Yo, because they are setting up this blade master guy to be. He is the head of the 6. You get what I'm saying? He's the leader of the 6. So they are low-key setting him up to be at least on that level. I don't know. I'm not sure if there is a level above life and death, bro. There could be tiers within life and death. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if there's ones that are a level higher than that. Life and Death Realm was thought to not be real, though. It's not be real too. Yeah, I mean, shit. So you're thinking that maybe there's something higher that they still don't know about, because it was even said that the thing that Lord Yo is at wasn't real. That makes sense, though. That in that case, that makes sense. If that would be crazy. I don't know if I want to believe that this Blade Master is at a higher realm than Lord Yo, but it's possible, bro. I ain't gonna cap. It's possible. That's crazy. Crazy, bro. Alright, so we see a bunch of these patriarchs coming together. How can you ask us to hand over the captives that we took? Hey, Namgun Patriarch, didn't you run off? Didn't you run away after I cut off your arm? Such a thing never happened. Yeah, right. Wow. The injury must have really burned. Yet you're still gonna play dumb? Man, you have no shame. Yo, Hyobong yapping, boy. I was captured while fighting the Mo Young Patriarch and sect leader Hong. I don't know what you're talking about. We can't let them have us. Wow. That's so... They're really doing the bullshit right now, bro. They'll torture us to get information about the Blue Heaven Society. It's obvious that all of us will die. Are you still not done? Demon Lord. So we see that boy Lord Yo woke up like, hey, bro, where y'all going? Because I ain't see I could leave yet. Like, bro, come on. Yeah, Hyobong put the beats on him, bro. Hyobong cut his whole arm off and was like, hey, bro, wasn't that me? Didn't you run away after I took your arm? Oh, alright. That's what I thought. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Lord Yo pops up. Looks at him. No words. Yo, Lord Yo mad funny. He just looks at them with disgust, like disgusted, bruh. And he goes, his aura is overwhelming. But I cannot change my mind. All the corruption within the Orthodox Murum will be revealed if I do. Plus, they might find out about that dangerous technique and use it for evil. Hold on. What kind of technique should be used? That kind of technique should be used for the Orthodox Murum. Alliance Head. They're asking me for help. What should I do? Alliance Head. If we are handed over, the secrets of the Blue Heaven Society, along with the techniques of the Supreme Martial Physique, will be exposed. That would not only put the Alliance in danger, but the entirety of the Orthodox Miram. Are you okay with that? He's right. The demonic cult is already too powerful. If they gain any more power, the balance between the three forces might completely break down. Cult leader Chion, would it be possible for you to give up on this matter? Lord Yo goes, give up? Give up? Talking about give up, bro. Give up? Even if your subordinate injured the Namgung Patriarch, in the end, it was the two masters of the Alliance that captured him. So I think you have to admit that it's only fair that we keep the captives. And bro, the face that Lord Yo gives him, bro, because Killmonger like, what the hell? And Lord Yo just looks at the man with one eye up like, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? Gives him the mean side eye, bombastic side eye, bro. Like, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? And the chapter ends with the side eye? Oh my god, bro. What a cliff, bro. Are you kidding? So, damn. That's crazy. So, what the fuck? Lord Yo gonna be like, I don't think Lord Yo gives it up, bro. I don't know if he gives up on this. He might just be like, bro, what are you talking about? My right-hand man took his arm. I don't give a fuck who captured him. He took him out. Yo, that's crazy, bruh. Right. 100%. 100%. He could just, if he wanted, he could just take him regardless. But I don't know if Lord Yo wants to burn the bridges with the guy with the Alliance head. You know what I'm saying? He might still need him for something. So who knows? But I'm very curious, because again, like you said, it ain't a talking matter, bro. Lord Yo could just pull up and be like, hey, bro, you come with me, and that's it. Simple. Simple. Bruh, Lord Yo really is different, bro. He really is cold with it. Cold with it, bro. But yeah, I'm very curious to see what happens next chapter and what happens with the hostage, bro. If Lord Yo gonna take him by force, or if Lord Yo just backs off and something else happens because of that. It could be a scenario where he goes, all right, I'll back off if you give me something. You know what I'm saying? He might have some kind of terms and conditions. Like, I mean, like, for what is going to happen, you know? So, I'm very curious where we go now, man. Yeah, but if you made it to the end of the live reaction, I appreciate y'all so much. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like on the video. It would really help the boy out. And also, subscribe to the channel. We're bringing different live reactions every single week. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to see y'all next time. Stay safe out in these streets. And I'm going to see y'all soon. Peace.